Hello students, how are you all? My name is Ardeep Singh and I teach mental ability. I have an experience of 7 plus years in the same profession. बच्चे, one thing you must remember in your life, if you want to get success in any stage of your life, always remember these words. You have to follow these words, and that is consistency. Consistency, and next one is patience. If you have these words in your vein, you must get selections in any stages. Always remember these words. You must get success. Okay, students, we are going to start topic calendar. This topic definitely comes in exam, in any exam. Okay, so we are going to start calendar, and the question is, on what day? Just remember, some students also get success, also get search on Google that what day did 23rd of January 1965 falls. Just remember, how can I find out, how can I get the particular day, specific day, how can I get? There are two methods. One is basic and next one is trick, but we have to focus first of all on basic concept. So start with the basic. You have to remember some special things we will discuss. Start. If we question says 23rd of Jan 23rd of January 1965, if we see that 1965 is that year completed, when this year complete after 31st of December 12 o'clock, we can say that 1965 year completed. But still in this question we can't say. So you have to write those year which is completed, that is 1964. Year number 1 to year number 1964, that is completed, we can say that. So if we say 1964, you have to qualify, you have to identify, qualify, and also identify 1600. Why we put 1600, I will explain. 1600 plus remaining is 1965 minus 1600, remaining is 300, 364, but we सेगमेंटेड, फ्रैगमेंट इसको मैंने कर दिया है. 300 plus 64. So we can say that in 400 years, that is leap year, in 400 years we have 0 odd days. So in multiples of 400, that is 800, 1200, 1600, all have value 0. So here 1600, the value of odd days is 0. 300, how can I find out? 100, 200, 300, and you 400. In 100 years we have how many odd days? And that is 5. In 200, that is 3. In 300 years, that is 1. And in 400 years we have 0 odd days. So we have to apply this one. 300, 1 odd days, so we have to put here 1. And in remaining 64 years, we know that in 64 years there is leap year and some years is normal year. What is leap year? Those year which is divisible by completely, not I'm saying completely divisible, I'm saying divisible by 4. And if we divide 64 divided by 4, so we have quotient 16, and that is leap year. We have to subtract 16 from 64, we have 48, that is normal year. And we all know that in one leap year we have two odd days. We have two odd days. So 16 multiply of 2, 32. And in normal year we have only one odd days, that is 48. We have to add these both the values. So 32 and 48 we have 80. We have 80. This 80 number is more than 7. So if the number more than 7, we have to divide by 7 to find the odd days. So 7, that is 10, and 717, that is 3. Here 3 is odd days. Okay, so we can say that in 1600 years we have 0, in 300 years we have 1, and in 64 years we have 3 odd days. We have 3 odd days. Calculated? I think it is easy. So 3 odd days. We have to add both all the values. 0 plus 1 plus 4, that is 4. So we can say that in from year number 1 to year number 1964, we have total calculated value, that is 4, that is odd days. And now remaining is 1st Jan 1965 to 23rd of Jan 1965. We have to find out also this one. So 1st of Jan to 23rd of Jan. How many days? 23 days. And we all know that 23 days, it means this value is also greater than 7. So we have to divide. So 7 3 are 21, and that is 2. Here 2 is also been added with the 4. So the total value is 6. And we all know that if we have to find the particular day, we always remember if we got Monday, the value for Monday is 1. Tuesday, that is 2. Wednesday, that is 3. Thursday, that is 4. Friday, that is 5. And Saturday, that is 6. And last one is Sunday. Sunday, not 7, because we have to divide 7 with 7. And if we divide 7 with 7, we have remainder 0, and that is 0 odd days. So these all values are odd days. So here we have 6 odd days, and 6, the value of 6 is Saturday. So complete answer. So this, the answer for this question is Saturday. Saturday. So I expect from you that you all get all the lessons, all the concepts. These are basic concepts, but we have also tricky concepts. We will discuss in some other sessions. Thank you very much. Thank you.